Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious milk flan. First, let's create the caramel base. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color. Be careful not to burn it. Immediately pour the hot caramel into your baking dish, tilting to coat the bottom evenly. This forms the sweet foundation for our flan. Next, we'll prepare the creamy flan mixture. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs until they are well combined. Then, gradually incorporate 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, mixing until smooth. Add 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, stirring gently. For an incredibly smooth flan, strain this entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into your caramel-lined baking dish. This step removes any egg solids, ensuring a silky texture. Now it's time to bake our flan. Carefully place your baking dish into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the larger pan, creating a water bath until it reaches about 1 inch up the sides of your flan dish. Bake this in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the center is just set. Once baked, let it cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, serving your beautiful milk flan. To release it, run a thin knife carefully around the edge of the dish. Place your serving plate upside down over the flan dish, and with a quick, confident flip, invert the flan onto the plate. The caramel will cascade down, creating a luscious sauce. Slice and serve this delightful dessert. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.